welcome back everybody to the Bonnet Life. I'm John.
I'm Anna, and we have more snow.
That's Colin. Yep, we got a lot more snow again.
But this one's way more snow. Be careful. Don't fall in the
Yeah, last time it's fell snow, but our roads were still pretty warm, so none of the snow stuck to the roads.
Go down the road.
Okay, Anna. But this time we had a few days of sub-freezing temperatures. Then we got about 3 inches of sleet. Now we get about 5-6 inches of snow on top of all that. But and this is powder snow. This isn't so that we can make snowballs and snowmen out of like we did last time. But yep, that's snow. Oh my gosh. Yep. The wind's pretty cold. I'm not gonna be able to be out here long today and stuff and play around. It's right now it's about wind chill is about 2 degrees. It's supposed to be negative 12 tonight. I don't remember that ever happening here in Louisiana. But all right, let me get these kids and stuff, let them see the snow and get them back inside and get them warm. So, but I'll get some more pictures and videos for. All right, everybody. So I think our snow day is about wrapped up. Some sun's trying to come out. Well, I don't know why I did that. But we ended up, let's see, 5 inches of snow looks like, maybe. So, look how pretty this is though. Man. I don't know if I can have this every day, but sure is pretty. Anyway, now our issue is it's going to be so cold it's not going to melt for a few days, which is bad for here. So we don't have plows, we don't have salt trucks. We just have guys with shovels that go out and throw salt everywhere. So getting to work, it's going to be issues. That's why our school closes all the time when it just thought of snow. But I don't know, we'll see. I haven't canceled my work yet tomorrow, but I'm betting that ain't going in. Gosh, so pretty. Let me see if I can turn y'all around. Anyway, guys, this is gonna be it for today. I'm not gonna probably film anymore. We got some snow flurries still coming now. It's not a lot, but I think for the most part we're done. It's too cold to have the kids out to do anything. Plus, this powder ain't good for snowballs or anything anyway. It's just strictly powder. But anyway, maybe we'll have another day like this year. If not, but see you on the next video.